This question here is really just about knowing how to turn words into equations. You don't even need to solve the equation. Um, the hardest part for most people is the beginning. For some reason, a lot of you think like 3 more than means like multiply. It doesn't. It means 3 more than, right? Like if I had, I don't know, 2 apples and you had 3 more than me, how many apples would you have? You'd have 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So you wouldn't have 6, you're not multiplying. So I don't know where people get this idea. Especially in this case, we have the word times, which does mean multiply, much more like obviously. So hopefully you wouldn't get confused and pick something like A, which involves using multiplication twice. What we want to say is that the number x is multiplied by 8 times the number x. So that's happening in both choices B and D, not in C, well, I guess it is in A technically, but I already said that was wrong. Then 3 more than that is going to mean adding 3 on that side. There's no reason we would add it to the right side. We're not saying 3 more than 83, we're doing 3 more than 8 times a number. So D is hopefully just obvious to you. This is definitely something to practice because even if it doesn't come up in a question like this, that's just like pure algebra, it could easily come up in stories where they talk about someone having more apples than someone else or something like that. So you need to be able to turn those stories a lot of times into equations. So be comfortable with that. Hopefully this was enough of a review that you'll never have a problem with it again.